Well, my name Nigel Northover. I live at Dunsany in Hatfield, Mandeville, Manchester. Me want to work.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are
What go on again, Unstoppable family? Some people, brother, you say more that video you go viral. So after me see it, me did have to play my little part and make the video go viral. You understand? Because why am I saying it? Me like it. You see me? Now, even though it not have nothing to do with the topic of this video, me feel like I had to play my part as me say and make uno see and hear what this brother here has to say. Now, after I play it, you go understand why. Check it out.
Mr. Andrew Holness, I know they have to tell you about your nose big and how your head big and which part of your mother you feel suck. Now they have for that. But me notice if a man tell you to suck your mother, fast is your find the address and then reach a station and get locked up. Well, my name Nigel Northover. I live at Dunsany in Hatfield, Mandeville, Manchester. Me want to work. Me have 5 subjects. Me have got maritime pre-college. Me have business studies and data entry operation. Me want to work. Can you find me and make me get a work, sir? We fit to my, we suitable to my qualification. The maths and the English. If you check me, me show you them. I better say you're not going to find me. And I better say this not going to go viral. But maybe tell if you suck your mother so fast it go viral. How fast you no find me? Is that work me want? Me suit on 26. I mean I want to live like rough.
Alright, you know get it, right? Yeah man, me like what him say. The man no dash out no disrespect or nothing, but one thing what him say will make sense. If him did a disrespect somebody or a send somebody up under them mother, the video would have go viral right away. But you see positivity no sell. You understand? But let's flip the script and me play my part. As me say, though. So, uno play for uno part and share it and hope that the video reach where it for reach and make them find him. Would I hope them find him, you know, and give him a job. You understand? Because that is what the man said him want. Right? So, make sure you share the video so that it reach to the police them or Andrew or whoever it for reach to so that them can go find him. And we hope we get the follow up to this video. We hope so we find out whether him actually get a job from this video or not. See? Let's move right along to the actual topic. Now people, one taxi operator is in police custody in Jamaica while another is in hospital in severe condition after being severely beaten and run over by a car. Now, earlier this morning, somewhere in the Mandeville area, 2 taxi operators had a dispute based on what an eyewitness said. Now, the eyewitness said the 2 men them did have a little argument earlier this morning. Now, based on the eyewitness, I'm only assuming that 1 man leave and come back because then a video surfaced on the internet earlier today where 1 man had a next man on the ground and had what looked like a 2x4 or something in him and literally bludgeon the next one. And people, the video serious. Now, the police is dispelling rumors that the one who was being bludgeoned is dead because they must say nothing no go so he is only in the hospital and unresponsive is what the officers is saying. Now, as I say in the video, 1 man can be seen beating the next man on the ground, right? And people, him a beat him wicked. Him look like when you beat conk. I saw the man a deal with the man on the ground and then after him do that him go in him car and literally look like him drive over the man, right? Now me have the video for you now, me go make you watch it. Yo, check out this.
Gonna move the car up. Blood clot! The man drive over, man. The man drive over. And look how police ever there, so all the police are there. So. CVM news, you know?
Right now you catch live on direct. My camera never go to care of this man kill him.
You have to come out of that. So then do take out in key.
Someone that would have gone?
Wait,
Someone that ever gone?
which one? Then take out in key one. Let's nobody in a blue. Oh, I see it in the hand. I must see police one. A police. A police one. Me know him. Yeah. No man, I know. Let's see how far let's see ID.
Oh yeah, me see. You kill him, no?
The next police come to him. Man, they were full of plain clothes police and I have no idea, dude.
Man, that shots are sick because they don't know say police that.
You see ID running neck, bro?
I know one, but I said, when you look without the
Oh,
ID,
you're not gonna know, man. A bad boy, them, you know, man.
Say man, them man still up on the ground?
Yeah, see them try to put him in the because see they have him in the back of the taxi.
Wanna see what me a talk about, people? Yo, the brother cool. You understand? Now, so much people gather around and I watch the whole incident still. Me I said, John, no star, why somebody never grab him and try to stop him before it reach to the point where him going on car and I try to run over the man. It's really a sad situation. Big up to my supporter who send me that video. Them I love when time when I support the thing still. You understand what me I say? Yeah, continue doing it. And if you see a video, cause I know everything me always I go see, you know. If you know see something come to you know, I don't know if yo, just think about Unstoppable. I wonder if Unstoppable see this. Send it come to me. See? Watch out. Me done with that topic and I want to talk to me down below in the comment section, people. Me I go talk back to Uno too as long as your comments make sense. Now, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable and I'm out.
Want to boost traffic to your business or get more ears listening to your music? Don't know where to start? Let us help you. Advertise with Unstoppable Media and get noticed today. Contact us at 876-420-3368 or email us at xtrailplayer@gmail.com. That's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Let us put you in front of our audience today.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.